Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Proton Mail, access secure email step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type proton.me and press enter. On the Proton website, find and click the sign in button. Make sure the page URL starts with HTTPS to confirm a secure connection. Click inside the username field and type your Proton Mail username. If your account uses a full email address, enter your full Proton address instead. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully. Double-check for caps lock and keyboard language if the password looks wrong. If you are on a shared or public device, avoid selecting any Remember Me option. Click the Sign In button to submit your login details. If you are prompted for two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app. Enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app before it expires. If you use security keys, follow the prompt to insert or tap your key. If you use Proton Pass or a password manager, you can autofill the login safely. Wait for Proton Mail to load your inbox in the web app. If you see a mailbox password prompt, enter your mailbox password if your account requires it. For mobile access, install the Proton Mail app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Proton Mail app on your phone. Tap Sign In on the app welcome screen. Type your Proton username or email address in the login field. Type your password in the password field and tap Sign In. Complete the two-factor authentication step in the app if it is enabled. Allow notifications only if you want new email alerts on your device. If you cannot sign in, click or tap Forgot Password to start account recovery. Follow the recovery instructions using your saved recovery email, phone, or recovery phrase. If you suspect your account was accessed by someone else, change your password immediately after signing in. Check your account settings to confirm your recovery methods and 2FA are enabled. Sign out when you are finished, especially on shared devices, to keep your. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.